In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitLab for project management. Whether you're venturing into software development, steering a marketing campaign, organizing HR workflows, conducting research projects, or even managing personal tasks, GitLab is an incredibly versatile platform that can help you streamline your work and enhance productivity. Let's kick things off by signing into your GitLab account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it before proceeding. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the GitLab dashboard, which is your central hub. This is where you can access all your projects and track their progress. Now, to start a new project, look for the button labeled New Project. It's usually located prominently on the dashboard, making it easy to find. Clicking on this will open up several options for you to choose from. Here, GitLab offers a range of project templates to suit your specific needs. You can opt for a blank project if you want to start from scratch and have full control over the setup. If you're bringing an existing project from another platform, the Import Project option will be your go-to, allowing you to seamlessly transition your ongoing work into GitLab. Alternatively, to speed up the setup process, you can choose from predefined templates, which come with configurations tailored for specific workflows. Next, it's time to add some unique details to your project. Start with the project name. Keep it clear and concise so that it's easily identifiable among other projects in your repository. The visibility level is another crucial piece. GitLab allows you to set your project's visibility to public, internal, or private, depending on who you want to have access. Public projects can be seen by anyone. Internal ones are restricted to everyone within your organization, while private projects are reserved only for those you've specifically invited. Don't forget to fill in the description. A good project description provides context and helps collaborators understand the project's scope and objectives right from the get-go. It might include the project goals, the expected outcomes, or any other pertinent details that will give team members an idea of what the project is about. This context is essential, especially when collaborating with a team, as it aligns everyone's understanding and expectations. With these steps completed, you now have a solid foundation for using GitLab as a project management tool. Explore its features to track issues, manage code repositories, and collaborate with others in real time. Remember, the key to effective project management is not just organizing tasks, but also keeping your team informed and engaged throughout the process. Enjoy exploring GitLab and harness its power to elevate your project management capabilities. Stay tuned for more tutorials to further enhance your workflow.